Hello Galaxy of Intellects, in today's video, I'll be telling about the Batman effect, how having an alter ego empowers you, so stay tuned. The creation of an alter ego. Creating a fictional persona is a strategy that involves taking a step back from our immediate feelings to allow us to think rationally about a given situation. It allows us to rein in feelings like anxiety and improves our perseverance and self-control. Beyoncé created a persona that she would step into just before her performance. Changing perspective and emotional regulation. Research shows that small shift in perspective can help people in controlling their emotions. In an experiment, when people viewed themselves as distant from a given situation, they were less anxious than the people who viewed themselves in the middle of the situation. Thinking in the third person. Self-distancing enables people to focus on the bigger picture rather than concentrating on immediate feelings. It improves the sense of emotional regulation, self-control, and general poise. In a study, when participants were asked to practice self-distancing when faced with various kinds of food, for example, fruit instead of a candy. So when participants asked what does David want instead of what do I want, they were more likely to choose the healthier option. The Batman effect. Researchers found out when children were told to consider their behavior as a superhero such as Batman, it seemed to have increased their resolve and were able to concentrate longer. These laboratory experiments may be useful to avoid feeling dispirited during new challenges. Psychological distance from yourself. We could all increase our emotional regulation, general poise by choosing to step into another persona. To try it for yourself, pick a different person with different goal. A wise person for personal dilemma, a work mentor for professional problem. The practice should create some psychological distance between you and the potentially distracting feelings. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and also in the comment section do let me know who is your favorite superhero. In the end, if you like this video, consider subscribing and share this video for good karma. Thank you.